Hi Thomas, yeah, I'm just taking a look in here for you now. I'm going to send you. I'm not sure if you got the links to the Blacktop components or the what we call the V3 components, but I'm sending that as well just in case. But if we go in here, carousels and service, right? Tabs. My bad, tabs and services right here. Okay, so this guy right here, I've pulled up a page here as an example. Hang on a sec, let me get it up here. Yeah, this one right here. Now this box, it only extends based on the amount of content. So one of the things I sort of talked about, or I think the only thing you can do is, let's say you have 10 tabs down here, but this is going to change. This box will actually change size depending on the content you have. But it looks kind of goofy if you don't have, if you got 10 buttons down here and the box ends because this little line sort of, there's nothing to go to. So basically what you would do is in your page here, right, we're going to go find the content area right here. We just flip it over to the design view here. And right after the final bit of text here, you can actually just add some paragraphs, and it should add in the non-breaking spaces automatically. So what you could basically do is just cheat, add some blank spaces like so. I'm just going to put a bunch in here just to sort of show you, to make sure that I'm not talking out my rear end here. Right, and then it's just a matter of making sure they're all sort of about the same height when you're done. So let's just save that. I'll go back to my page here and preview it and see if that did what yep, there it is. So now, as you see when I go through, the boxes are all taller, so it's just a matter of hitting enough spaces in there at the end of your content to sort of extend the box down the page a little bit. And it's kind of the lazy man's way of doing it, but other than that, you can apply a height to the box. So let me go back here, and that's where it gets a little bit, this tab right here to class, boom. You could put a more of a inline style, okay, and right after the, oops, where did it go there? Right after this, like say tab 4, where it says class of tab, pane, and then fade, you would do one of these here where you just do a style equals, and it's going to do the automatic thing there, and then you're going to go height, and then you have to figure out what height. Let's go with 900 px. I just want to try this out as well, just to see on the one box. So we should have one box that's a lot taller than the others, right? So there, number 4, see that? 900 pixels tall. So that's the other way you could do it, and that way every box would be exactly the same height. So you'd have to find the div ID of tab 4, tab 3, tab 2, and I'll actually send this style equals to you right here, so you can just copy it right out of the ticket, paste it in there, and then change your height of 900 to whatever you want it to be. And I try to discourage people from doing this, because when you add a height to something, as soon as it goes mobile, then it doesn't work that well. Then it's stuck at 900 pixels tall. But if you have tall content, I guess it doesn't really matter, so you might as well go ahead and try it.